Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your InterFirst Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your InterFirst Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in interfirst.servicingloans.com and make a search. The official page of InterFirst Mortgage account will appear on the screen. Scroll all the way down and tap on Login to access your account option. On the next page, enter your username and password associated with your InterFirst Mortgage account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on Forgot your username or password option. This is how you can log into your InterFirst Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.